Hello, good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Juan Hippolyte, and we'll talk a little bit about success as a Haitian American. I was born in Haiti, and I grew up in poverty, and I came to the United States when I was 18 years old, and I've been here for about 14 years, going to 15 years, I believe. Uh, yeah, so I had a chance to go to University of Central Florida. uh, I got a degree in business economics. So, with that being said, I don't really talk too much about the job that I do right now. I don't really talk about what I do because not only is it's not classified, but the idea is that it's not it's just not the best thing to talk about because the idea that if I talk about my job, other people not going to see me for who I am. Right? People gonna see me for the type of job that I'm doing. So I don't believe it's important for me to be talking about my job, what I do, or what it is. The work that I'm doing right now is trying to give back to the Asian community. It's trying to create wealth so we can have jobs, so people don't have to leave the country to go die trying to make it to the USA or Chile, Brazil, or the DR. That's what I'm doing pretty much. Trying to create jobs, trying to create wealth, help the people understand a few things, and so we can get the country out of poverty. But it is not easy. It's not easy. You know what I'm saying? It's not easy just to the fact that when it comes to support, it is not something that you can find within the Asian community. You know what I'm saying? You can work hard, no matter how much, no matter how hard you work, no matter how much effort you put in, you're gonna have to work 10 times harder to make it in the Asian community. It's just not the support is just not there. You know what I'm saying? No matter how good what you're doing is, if another nation or if somebody else doesn't approve it, then the Asian community, doesn't really care about it. You know what I'm saying? Like once you make it to the top, or the nation start to embrace you, then that's when your own community, the Asian community, going to start to appreciate what you're doing. So it's kind of sad, right? It's sad to say, but it is what it is. It is the reality, and from what I believe is that, guess what? I'm gonna put the hard work in, right? I'm gonna work hard, and I know I'm gonna get the results. I know one day I'm gonna be successful, and I'll be able to do the thing that I want to do. If the Asian community wants to support me and stand with me to help, create jobs in Haiti, to help out the people, I'll say thank you for that. But at the same time, if the Haitian people don't want to stand with me or to help me out, I'll say, hey, thank you too. Because guess what? Success is personal. It's about how hard you work, how much effort you put into it. So I believe in myself. No matter how much another Haitian will want to put me down, will want to say, hey, what you're doing is bullshit, I'm saying I can do what I'm doing. I believe in it, right? So that's what it is. So, but yeah, it is important to say that it's not enough to be, talking just to talk, right? Just so people can know you. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be able to make some type of income. You gotta be able to create some type of, wealth. Because at the end of the day, that's what's gonna pay the bill, right? At the end of the day, that's what's going to help you give back to the community, right? I cannot give back what I don't have. I cannot steal somebody else's, money to give back to the Haitian community. They don't understand that. So if I work hard, right, I put my product out there, you don't support it. Therefore, you cannot expect me to give you anything, right? You get out what you put in. That's what it is. So now, if the American community embrace what I'm doing, right, they support me. Like they supported many other people, like Wyclef. Wyclef made it because he was in America. You know what I'm saying? That's how Wyclef made it. Right? Wyclef wasn't singing in Creole. Wyclef was making hip hop songs in English. you know, and you work hard at it, you become successful, you know, and once it's at the top, that's when every single Haitian, you know, wants to be, hey, yeah, Wyclef, you know, it's great. But when it was grinding, when it was hustling, you know, when it was working hard to make his music, nobody supported him. It's the same thing. That's where I'm at right now, right? And I'm trying to give back to the Haitian community. I'm trying to create jobs. I'm trying to promote reforestation in Haiti. I'm trying to promote, you know, the restoration of all these monuments, La Citadelle, Palais à Souci, our Étang sur Mat, all that. I mean, so far what? So far, you know, I don't really have at least 10 Haitians who supporting me, who are supporting me right now. I don't even have 10 people, you know, to count on. That's sad. It is sad. But the good thing is that, like I said, success is not easy within the Haitian community. But I believe if you can adapt to, you know, to what's going on in the world, you know, you'll make it. Adapt, work hard. Adapt in what way? I mean, let's say, you know, you're doing a project, right? You're only using Creole. You keep, you know, explaining the project in Creole over and over. Well, the Haitian community don't really care about it, right? If they, you know, if they don't really care about it, then why don't you try and explain the project in English? Probably somebody else who speaks English can understand what the hell you're doing, and they can step in and say, hey man, I see you struggling and shit, let me help you out. You understand what I'm saying? So you need to be able to adapt. You need to be able to use different strategies, right? So your dream can become a reality. Success is about how hard you work. It's not about how much somebody else gives you, right? It's about how hard you work, how much time, how much effort you put into your work. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? So to me, I always want to keep my job, what I do, away from what I'm doing right now. Because what I'm doing right now, you know, it's just me giving back to the Haitian community. It's me not staying on the sideline, hoping that something gonna happen. It's me not staying on the sideline saying, oh, the Haitian leader is going to do it. Oh, the Haitian politician is going to do it. Oh, those artists, you know, the famous, they'll do it. Let me not step in. So therefore, that has nothing to do with the job that I'm doing. The job I'm doing is something else. So that's me giving back, you know, to the Haitian community. Therefore, I think it's all about the effort, the time that I put into writing proposals, the time that I put into calling people that I know that can help out with what I'm doing. I think at the end of the day, that's what's going to give the result, right? You know, if the Haitian people stand with me, like I said before, it would be easier for me to help out. But at the same time, I have to do what I have to do. I cannot wait on other people's support to start something. I cannot wait on somebody else to give me the green light. Oh yeah, man, you're ready now. It's your time. Go ahead, do it. Nah, I gotta step up. I gotta do what I gotta do. Yeah, once again, my name is Juan Hippolyte. I have a few videos on YouTube, close to 100 videos. So I would suggest that, you know, if you have time, go through them. They're not too long, probably like 9-10 minutes videos, at most 15 minutes. So watch them. If you like them, share them with somebody else. If you think we can work together, just shoot me a text, you know, comment under the videos, let me know what we can do together. Like I said, I'm working on 2 initiatives right now. First one is to plant 10,000 trees in Haiti every year. I'm talking about trees that can fruit, like mangoes, avocados, papaya, coconuts, stuff like that. That's the kind of thing I'm trying to do. And the second thing is trying, like I said, create the opportunity so other Haitians around the world can donate or adopt a monument in Haiti, or a historical place or site, or a national park. Because we have so many resources in Haiti that can create revenues for the Haitian people, but because of a lack of leadership, or because of a lack of initiative, that the Haitian people still, you know, stay in poverty. You know, that's my way, you know, giving back. That's what it is. So have a good one. Like I said, we can come up together and do something big, or you can sit and watch me and complain about what I'm doing. That's the way I see it. That's life. You gotta be able to adapt. So that's me adapting to what's going on, within my environment. You know what I'm saying? So, bye. Till next time.